children after your duties. And don't worry na, sir, because you're not the one who's going to feed the chicken directly sa tiger. Hindi po kayo magpapakain ng chicken. Because kapag napuso yung dalili, wala pa kami kapalalan. Okay? So, we have... may nalala po kayong gilid. Okay, so one of our zookeepers later also will be riding with us, and we will going to see the tiger after you. Okay, after that, we're going to the tiger closing counter, and we will be walking 2 feet away from the enclosure of the tiger. So later also, we're going to meet the parents of our tiger experience. And after that, we're going to our savannah po, our pre-virtual attraction, where hindi na po tayo bababa dito. Okay, and after that, we're going to visit the animal museum. We will be seeing our preferred animals. And after that, we're going to the Isis Trail, where we will be seeing our native people, the indigenous people of the communities, as they perform some 13 traditional dances. And next, people say now walk a short obstacle course. And now, the crocodile area forward, and you will be seeing our 200 crocodiles.
Ya, sige, sarang muna. Lalabas dati. Ito muna. Isa lang. Gagda. Ito nila. Sarang mo. Ba't over?
Okay, so rules and regulations before we start our tour.
Thumbs out!
Along the tour, smoking, littering for is strictly prohibited. Three bottles of water or any refreshment. So you know